Okay, we're back. Sorry, it's been a while. Yes, let's just skip that joke. Well, like long and for all times. I failed already. Oh. I could kill you both. I'd like save anyone, but you would have to jump over here. You would have to forward jump over here, go through there, lock them off. God, you're making it sound like gunshots. And they're not. Actually, pause it. Oh. No, actually pause, would you kindly? Blinking. No, I could have newsed him. That's what I'm explosion. No! Walk them off! Ooh, mega oof. Thank you, we can start an attack from the bottom. Not, yeah. He's gonna get infected, or is he just gonna sit there? Yeah. There is a very scientific way you have to do this. That's it's over YouTube because you're not doing anything special drives. Pretty much you need to it's a very what I think I have to do is that first I have to jump from here. Maybe how many do I need to kill? I need to kill 2 more. Jump from here to here. Then change the direction. Okay. Keep you from doing that. I don't know how to kill him. Fine. Yep, do it. Let's do it this way. Oh, just barely do they reach. That's very important. You'd be good about this. I need you to rush. If I do that... Yeah, he won't die. Not done. They still need to explode. Jump over there. The evidence, as I always say. We tried. I tried to kill the cannibal, it failed miserably. Did you have to kill the drunk? Let's just skip this. In this one, you learn how to run, which is very important for this one. Hey, come on, get me suckers, these words. First, say get a right suit. Okay, so you have to stop them from getting to the car. And there are, I think, 2 ways of doing that. Okay. Car is over here. You can go from here or from here. The best idea you can do is go through the sewer way. Perverts, you will have to go through here. Well, advise you have to go through up there. Go through there. Jump up. Using a guy. Go through there. Break the door down. We're just gonna get all these setups like crazy. And then you have to go through here. Do this. Break through that door. Break through that door. Break that door. And then do that. It's that simple. Now let's get over there. I've been wasting your time now. Guys, just run. It's important that you run. Even though they don't hit harder, they're running speed. They do now have the ability to leap. Dude, you're a police officer, and you're not even fat. How are you failing at running? Your job is to catch people, and if you can't... Oh, what was the name? Global investing. Oh, yeah, because I was calculating. Doesn't count, I was calculating world. There's actually a way of killing them before they even get close to the car. Right. Do that. What the... Hurry. You must get over there, Mr. Freeman. Forget about the rest. They're unimportant. Oh, damn it. Climb. Forget about the rest, Mr. Freeman. There are 1 soil mission. Get. Good. Hopefully. I need to stop. Yeah, just stop. Okay, now. Shit, I'm taking the alleyway. Doesn't matter, we have no time. Oh, no, we have to do that. The car's gonna activate. I'll get running. So it'll kill all these innocent people. Because they're not intelligent enough. So, what happened to your friend? Let's take the sewer way. It's all about that one survivor, bro. It's Wednesday, my dudes! Where did you even get landmines in person? Woman. That's... Okay, let's not predict and let's just get going immediately. Shit, down, climb, down, See, this one's all about calculating. You have to control one zombie out of it. Don't control the horde. Control that one. Control that one fast boy. Your only hope at this point. Except with this hard thing. Damn it! See, I flumped myself. But it's all about changing directions. Okay, I definitely flunked it. Let's retry it. Okay, first let's just get rid of these so I don't flunk myself. Rush, you have to get in, rush! You can either go to the sewers, I think the sewers ones are a bit harder, but then you have to calculate more. Actually, you have to pay attention more to a dude. Come on, rush. Blue on me. What was that? Just bit his neck and you're like, okay. See, this is the stupid part. You're gonna let the other guys walk slow. You just need to control one person to do this. The other ones do not need to be controlled by myself. But we're gonna take the sewer way. No sewer way this time. No, really wanted to go to the sewer way. Quick. Okay, see, I flunked these. Damn it! Okay, I'm really flumping. We're already almost there. We must take the sewer way. It is our only choice. All about ideas. Oh, come on. What the? What? Okay. Here's where to reach the car. It's kind of hard. Okay, this time, no flumping. We need to remember what we need to do. Don't give up running, that's the most important. Never give up running. Running is most important in this mission. See, that's what happens here. You need to get him to run immediately. I don't know if that's fluffy. I hate you, fat ass. So if you could be any slower, I'd be glad. Wait a minute, I know what I can do. Come on, come on. So my idea is that if I could get them to get hit by the car, I'll be good. But I'll pause.